Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all a childhood favorite that I still make today as an adult for me and my kids. And that is old school icy cups using Kool-Aid. So if you guys want to see how I make these icy cups, keep watching. Okay guys, here are the flavored Kool-Aids that I'm going to be using to make my icy cups. Now these are the flavors that I see people using all the time. You guys know there's a ton of flavors to choose from, and like I always say, make what you like, okay? But these right here is what I always use. And of course, and I don't know if you guys know, but this right here is the OG of all Kool-Aid making or icy cup making. Ain't no imitation, no store-bought, none of that. Real lemon juice is the all-time OG to use when making Kool-Aid, okay? I'm just saying, or icy cups. So I went in with my first flavor, which is lemon lime. And you guys know everything is getting smaller. The quantities are getting less. So I'm going to go in with 2 packets of each flavor just to make sure I get that flavor of, that Kool-Aid flavor in my icy cups. I went in with the lemon juice, and I did eventually go in with the other pack of lemon lime. And we're just going to give this a good mix. You can see there it got a lot darker. So now I'm going to go in with my sugar. Now guys, don't come for me in that comment section, okay? Do not come for me. I'm going in with 1 cup of sugar because that is 1 quart of Kool-Aid, okay? Now you can add more, you can add less. There's people out there that like their Kool-Aid tasting like syrup. I am not one of those people, okay? So 1 quart of Kool-Aid to 1 cup of sugar. We're going to fill these cups up, and then I'm going to get them into the freezer. Now I'm working on the next flavor, which is the blue raspberry. This is another favorite right here. Going in with the lemon juice, and then we're going to go in with the sugar and then give it a good mix. Now if you see that your sugar has clumps in it, it's all good. Once it hit that liquid, it's going to definitely start to break up and just mix it in. So we're going to get these cups filled up, and we're going to get these into the freezer. Now let me explain the difference to you as far as with the cups that I'm using, okay? You may see a lot of people using plastic cups, which is totally fine. I'm not knocking that, but from the way I was brought up on and the way I grew up, we was always told to use foam cups because it makes it easier to get to the Kool-Aid by peeling down the sides of the foam. With the plastic cups, they push them up, they turn them upside down, then they suck on them, then they flip them back over, which is totally fine. Again, I'm not knocking that, but this right here is what I was brought up on, is to use the foam cups because it makes it easier to get to the icy cup by peeling down the sides of the cup, okay? Now, like I said, hey, you want to use plastic cups, use plastic cups. But again, I'm showing you guys of what I was brought up on, okay? So now with the last flavor, this right here is the all-time favorite, my all-time favorite, because not only are we making lemonade, but we are going in with that lemon juice. It's like a double lemon juice flavor. Oh my God, just so good, okay? So you guys see I have 4 cups of these, again, because these are like my all-time favorite. And again, guys, foam cups are where it's at, okay? It just makes it easier to get to the icy cup by peeling down the sides of the cup. And I'm going to show you guys how I do that at the end. And yeah. So here they are here, guys, after 24 hours of being in the freezer, and you guys can see they are completely solid and they are definitely ready. I got 2 trays, and you guys see right there, that right there is what we do. We peel down the cups and we enjoy our icy cups. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how I make my old school Chicago style icy cups. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, like always, guys, you take care. Bye.